after setting up your Wi-Fi, you're gonna be sent to this page, and then these are all the free apps that you're gonna have to watch everything that you're gonna be able to watch. Everything else you have to pay for, so I wouldn't mess with those. But all these apps have everything that you'll find on like all these movies right here. You'll find in these apps. All right, so the first app we're gonna have a look at is Terranium TV. This is a good app because it's great quality, and it has you can go back and watch any season. All right, so let's say let's go to, you can also watch movies on here. I would actually use this app because it has better quality. So the first app you're gonna wanna do is, like, let's say you wanna watch this. You're gonna go to season, and when you go to season, you're gonna click any season. Go like, all right, and then hit OK. And then when you're here, you're gonna click this, and then you're gonna hit this button right here. And then the movie's it's gonna send you to this page once you hit it. And then you're gonna want to click the first one. The first one is usually the better quality one. And if you don't like how this one is playing for some reason, you're gonna want to click the other links. And as you can see, it's playing. Okay, let's see what else we got. Showbox. Showbox is another movie and TV show, same sort of like Terranium. Alright, so when you open up this app, what you're going to want to do is click this button twice until the little clicker pops up. You're going to want to go to these three stripes right here. Click on the three stripes and hit movies. And once you hit movies, you can click on any of these. Oh, actually, if you want to scroll down, you're going to want to hit this button. If you want to scroll up, hit the top one with the three stripes, down, up. And then you're going to click on this with the little clicker. And you're going to hit watch now. And as you can see, the movie's starting. And you can find movies and TV shows on that app. Okay, let's see. We got Redbox TV. This one right here is good for a lot of live TV. Okay, as you can see, we have sports, a bunch of kid stuff, USA, and these are all TV shows. Oh, when you click on this, you're gonna have to choose your video player. You'll see the sign right now. I actually just set it up, but it's gonna say choose a video player. You're gonna pick MX player and always. I'll show you guys later in the later video on how to set that up. And as you can see, you have NBA TV right here. Good quality. If it's blurry, after a few seconds, it'll adjust and it'll be better quality. But this one, you get a lot of TV channels. Let's see what we get in USA TV. And if any of the channels say that it's not streaming at the moment, I would use a different app to see if you can find the stream on a different app, Live Lounge. So this one right here is good for like pay-per-view events. I would use this for like high events. Other than that, I wouldn't really mess with this one. Let's see what we could find in here. We have sports, and this is like for like the pay-per-view events. Let's see, wrestling, main events, and all the other stuff, UFC. This is the app that I would go to, or I would also use Kodi. We'll go to Kodi last. LiveNet TV. This is another one for a lot of sports channels. So like I was saying, if any of the apps are not working, it's like loaded, and what we're gonna want to do is like you can click on any of these. Let's see, and use. Go down until we see international or any of these, and then we're gonna want to click on it. And this is what I was talking about in the other app. You're gonna choose your player, MX player always, and then the video will load. Trying to make this video kind of shorter than my other videos. All right, USA TV. This has a lot of good stuff. Sometimes it acts up. Let's see. USA TV. Whenever this one says to update, I would never update, so I would hit cancel. This one you might need the little clicker again. So we hit the little clicker by pushing this button twice. Hit OK. Cancel. No, actually didn't want to do that, so we're just gonna hit OK. Accept. And what we're gonna want to do is hit the little clicker so that we go over here to channels. And then we're gonna have all these channels, and don't forget you can go up or down. And if any of these channels are not working, you also find them in the other apps. ABC News. You're going to want to click either server, which if this one's not working, I would click on the other one. Searching for a media server. Okay, there we go. And this is gonna it's gonna get bigger and adjust. All right, this is for this is the adult zone, and you can always delete these apps if you have kids or if you don't want them. So what we're gonna want to do is click on this button, click on any video. All right, so we're gonna hit user external. Click on the video. When you click on a video, you're gonna want to choose the MX player to view this, and then you're gonna hit always and enable sound, and then this is it's gonna start playing. And then the next adult app that we have is X-Hub. And now what you're gonna do is click on it. Might need a clicker. Let's see. Oh yeah, you do need the clicker, and then the video will start playing. Okay. Let's get out of here. Okay, and the last app we have is Mobdro. What it's gonna look like. And whenever you see it's saying update, what you're gonna want to do is hit update, and then it's gonna look like this, and all you're gonna do is hit install. And this is an update every time when a new software comes out for any of the apps. This is what MX Player is gonna look. Mobidro is gonna look like. Channels. You hit the channels. You can hit any of these channels. You got a lot of channels in here. Then we get the app. And another thing we can do is for this app, if you are interested in different languages, I think you go to channels, and then you get the little clicker. You go to the eyeball, and this is if you're interested in different channels. And you want to go down. You're gonna get rid of the clicker, I think. Hold on, let's see. And then you're gonna go down and click on any of the channels. You want English, you click English. For Spanish speakers, you're gonna click Spanish. You could also take it out, and then it'll put the Spanish stuff. Okay. Right here is another app that we're gonna want to choose from. So when you open up Kodi, it's gonna look like this. And the first time you open the app, you might want to let it run for like 2 to 3 minutes till this content finish loading, and this is gonna make sure that everything updates. So this app updates on its own. You won't have to worry about it. And I'll show you guys how it'll look. So we're gonna let this run for a few seconds or minutes till this is finished. So after it's finished running, hold on, it's gonna look like this. You won't see the content loading anymore. And we go to movies. We also get some new movies in here. You're gonna want to click on let's see, Click on any of the movies. Hold on, let me find this clicker. Click on the movie. It's gonna say please wait. And then you're gonna click on any of these. If the quality or something's bad going on with these, you're gonna wanna cancel it and open up a different link. I clicked the first one because usually the first one is the best one, but depending on the movie, it might be a little bit different. And as you can see, the movie will start playing right now. And the Kodi app is has movies. It also has for the a lot of sports events. Like we also get pay per view events, football games, NBA games. Actually, I think I might add it to this video, or I may make it another different video, depending on the video length. But this one got movies, TV shows, kids, a bunch of other stuff. It's basically all in one, but get a variety of stuff. And as we can see, the movie has started loading. Alright, one last thing I want to show you guys before this video is over. If any of the apps are acting up, what I'm telling you to do is go to applications, manage installed apps, and this is for any app that's acting up. Kodi, force stop, clear cache, never clear the data, and then you can reopen it by hitting launch. Alright, let's see, what else do I have to say? Alright, if you guys ever have any problems with the Fire Stick, don't forget you guys have 3 months warranty. Don't delete any of your messages because I need to see that it's 3 months and the day you purchased it. Thank you.